Alright, so just a quick video on how to do it. I know that it's some of the navigation's kind of tough with these two sites, but so I'm looking at project 15 in AP Stats. It's finding the probability of neither A nor B. So you're giving an example, but you have the probability of A, probability of B, and the probability of A and B. Those have been initialized, so those are just variables. And you're trying to initialize probability of neither. So one way to do it, and I know that we know the math behind this, but just to show you, you create your own variables. So like if I did PA only, that would be PA minus PA and B, probability of A minus the intersection. If I did PB only, it would be PB minus PA and B. And then once I know like the three parts of the Venn diagram, P neither, which you do have to be specific on how you define that one. These I could call these anything. Right? I could call this X and Y. So it would be 1 minus X plus Y plus PA and B. Alright, so I'm getting basically everything in the Venn diagram. And then P of neither is everything else. And the good thing about the project or program here is that you can keep executing and run it for different cases and see that the algorithm here is holding true regardless of these random numbers generated. Another way you can do it, just to show you that there is always multiple ways, you could get probability of A or B, which we know that formula straightforward from College Board is, and by the way, spacing is not important. I just and the semicolon is not. It's just something I'm used to with working with Java. JavaScript is a little looser. So, but if I have that, then P neither is 1 minus PA or B. Now, case sensitive, or it is case sensitive, so I have to spell it exactly the way I did there. But that works as well. So you get the probability of A or B, subtract that from probability of neither. Kind of going about it a different way. Still works. On the teacher side, if you're getting there, so on the teacher side, if you're there more, this is where basically navigate the plus sign. This one's I know this one is probability. And the one I'm doing is Venn, neither A nor B, project 15. So video on how to do it, a solution to help you get there if you're having trouble kind of figuring it out, or some kind of syntax error or something like that. But that's how it works, and I just wanted to kind of show a quick video on how you could use it.